The program title tells us a lot about the program. We're teaching students how to help people, period. The professors that you'll be working with in the program all have real-world experience. They understand what you're going to be faced with when you enter your career and the things that you need to know to be successful.
Part of the program of study for the Individual, Family, and Community Sciences program is a 120-hour internship. They really have the world open to them. They can be involved in the court system, they can be involved in nonprofit settings, for-profit settings, multiple programs, organizations, and agencies. They really are able to select something that's customized to their professional goals and what they hope to gain from the internship experience.
So I currently work full-time in human resources while I'm pursuing my master's degree. The staff are so welcoming. Even though they're online, they are very supportive. They are understanding that, you have a life outside of your school. Last year I got married, so this allowed me to have that flexibility in my life and also be able to pursue my education.
The courses help teach and connect you to different places and different things that you can create resources out of. So that's helped me. I'm in the working profession and I'm a director of a child advocacy center, and so those skills and those connections and networking have helped already in that side of my profession in my life.
I like that it's kind of like an umbrella degree, so you can do a lot of different things with it, and it's you're meeting people's needs and meeting them where they are. And so right now a need for our tribe is to help save the language and to keep it alive. So I like that I can incorporate that into it.
You'll work with communities. You'll learn effective ways to impact communities positively. You'll be a change agent. You can learn to advocate for people who can't always advocate for themselves.